Alright, here's a lineup for the challenge. For this
Look at that.
Look how bad this bike is.
Is that the tube right there? DF.
What's that?
Designated film.
That's really fun.
We'll have you choose who uses what bike.
I'm guessing this one is going to be the easiest to loop out because it's the smallest and it has the shortest back end. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like a 5
We
inch.
should do a throwback clip to my loop out.
Yeah, throwback to when Lance looped out at the skate park.
Pedal grind.
I looped out way too easy.
I got that.
You got that?
I got it too. Yes. We're ready to see the manual.
Hang on.
Let me get a marker.
We need another small intermission
You need like chalk or something.
because Jonah's tires are like at 25 psi.
I know, I haven't ridden in a couple months.
Whereas
Let's have
Or there's these.
blue.
Blue for Lance. And Fondo, what color do you want? Lance has blue.
I'll do yellow.
Off that tar line right
Tar
there.
line?
Are you shading it right now?
Yeah, getting it nice and thick.
Okay, we'll see how far you go.
Oh, that's much better.
Good job.
That's so much better. Alright, so where's this starting?
Right there. Wrong way. That way. You doubted yourself.
I know, I thought I would not go that far, but I surprisingly did.
Alright, what bike am I using?
You're gonna use Brett's.
Ooh.
I'll be the filmer for this one. Here we go. Oh, okay, where was it? You got a bad start. How far would you say that is, Jonah? Lance.
9 feet or something.
One. Okay, Jonah, what's my next bike?
You could probably beat me, John.
The rocker?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wait, we gotta put Ava Liam's bike into this.
No.
Yeah, it has
The tires
tags.
are like 10 psi. And
And if you have big feet, you might hit a tag. Never mind, it doesn't have tags.
pedals are all wobbly.
Front peg. I need new grips for this. Look at that.
Yeah, you should send him some grips.
Alright,
Someone sent you some.
okay.
Alright, if you loop out, you do win. That'd be a good thumbnail. Ha, he beat me still.
No score.
Alright, what's my bike?
Ooh. You get to do the rocker too.
Ooh. At least you didn't loop out.
I was scared to loop out because of that one time.
Throw back again. No score.
Yeah, doesn't count as your turn.
What do you mean?
Doesn't count as your second try.
You have to beat your previous.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Uh-oh, you get to ride that super tiny, loud machine.
Super short bars.
This is probably the nicest part on the bike, right there.
Seat.
Yeah. Either the seat or...
Oh. If you look at the front tire directly, it's like, whoa. It like turns.
Yeah, the nicest part is probably the seat. Right there. Alright, what's mine?
Try mine.
Gonna move. Wow.
I made my bike so much better. Bad video.
You've done every bike.
Okay, should we mix it up and get the Walmart bikes in here?
Yeah, that'll be our bonus round.
This is our bonus round.
Let's go grab it.
So far, Bretton's in the lead.
Lit easily.
Okay, so we either have that one or this one.
What tires are lower?
We should also add in the third one.
Oh yeah, we could do the DJ, but that one's super
I
hard
think
to manual.
we should go with Lance. I think this one might be lit.
All right, do we have
They're
to keep
They're about the same.
10 psi that's in there?
Yeah, we should.
Okay, let's get it out.
Let's do both.
Oh, let's use a coin.
A coin.
So, what bike is worse, do you think? Is it recording?
I think for manualing, that one definitely.
Alright, so if you lose the coin toss, you have to ride that one for the manual.
Oh, okay.
I think I have a coin. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so how should we do it?
Heads or tails for the...
Head.
Ooh.
Tails, crap. I gotta ride this one.
Oh man, this bike doesn't stop.
Yeah. The ghetto lever I put on there because the other one broke.
Does this feel like rubbing a lot?
Dude,
I think the brake
it has
pads really-
coaster brakes too.
Look at the air. Like, get close up to that. Good.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at the front.
I think it has more air.
You do. I think.
I don't know, they both haven't been ridden since like 2015.
It's like here.
Dude, it's too heavy.
Actually, we'll put on the. I just broke the chalk. Alright, Brian, that's your first try for the bonus round. So I put F1.
Hey, Bretton won and me, so I can use either clip for whoever won.
Okay. So, normal round, Bretton won. And then they tied bonus round.
Listen to this. Oh, I didn't squeak this time.
Alright, now
Hey, yo, you got a 180 at Bretton.
There's no free code where there's no cassette.
Oh, I got lucky. I didn't realize that.
Just on our own bike.
Yeah.
So if Lance wins this one, you guys will be tied. Right now, Bretton, you're in the lead, and then a tie.
You're just so far up.
We got two.
Alright, I'll go first.
Alright, so Lance, you gotta win this one to tie it up, and then we'll have a finale. But if you guys tie this one, we gotta keep going.
How do you go that far?
Dang.
Yeah, there's no way I could have beat you. That's pretty good though. Now I don't look like crap in my own video.
Oh, and you guys tie it up.
Doug?
Ooh.
Oh, fakey.
Brought the fakie.
My cherry.
Oh, shaky can. Bretton wins.
Oh wow.
Woo!
Okay, we'll give him a choice of a prize.
Winner.
You
Oh
can
yeah.
have this or this.
Quarter or a bottle
What
rocket
one do
stick?
you want?
A quarter. Yay.
You're rich.
I'm rich. I'm 25 cents richer.
Alright. Shout out to Scotty and you for riding.
Well, thank you.